Hi everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Hope you all are doing well. Today sharing a very simple yet unique henna design that you can apply for any special or festive occasion. As Eid is around the corner, just thought of sharing this design. This is one of the easiest design which even beginners can apply. The tip is hold the henna cone as you are holding a pen or a pencil and start to draw a design. With regular practice, the speed and flow will increase automatically. I've also shared a couple of henna designs on my channel. We'll share the link in the description box. You may have a look. Now for those who are watching my channel for the first time, welcome to my channel. My name is Nisha and on my channel I post videos that are very useful in our day-to-day life, especially if you're a busy mom, working women or bachelors. From cooking healthy to using healthy cookwares, everything you'll find in this channel. I've also shared several videos on how to season, how to maintain healthy cookwares that will give added benefits in our daily life. Nowadays, everyone is too busy that they hardly get time to cook, so they choose to either have junk food or store bought foods, which not only contains lot of preservatives but also very unhealthy. Hence, in my channel, I share several tips on how you can regularly have variety of delicious home cooked food with some preparations in advance, saving lot of time yet without compromising on taste and flavor, and it's healthy too. So what I have done is I have created a separate playlist for easy access to all my videos. So from cooking to organizing, from seasoning to maintaining cookware, especially iron pan, cast iron, clay pot, steelware, on how to cook, clean and maintain them, everything you'll find in this channel. Along with that, I have also shared several time-saving tips, dawat planning, food pre-preparation, travel tips and many more. Just scroll the playlist and you'll find all in one place. There are many more useful videos coming up, so do stay connected with Nisha Thaju. Hope you're liking this henna design. Wishing you all a blessed Eid al-Adha with your loved ones. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala accept all our worship and sacrifice. May this special day bring peace, happiness and prosperity among us. I ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to protect all of us from any harm and shower His mercy and bless all of us with His infinite grace, and may He help and protect the people of Palestine. Ease their pain and sufferings. Bestow His mercy on them, give them victory both in this world and in the hereafter. Ameen. I also quickly applied easy design on my front hand too. We'll share detailed video soon. Wishing once again a blessed Eid al-Adha Mubarak. Stay happy, healthy and safe everyone, and do remember us in your duas. See you soon with another interesting video. Until then, take care of yourself. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz. Bye-bye.